MyTunes AI music generator review. Let's see, is it worth using? So MyTunes is an AI music generator app that lets you create songs from text prompts. You can turn your lyrics into full tracks and make AI covers with different voices. It's basically trying to be the one-stop shop for anyone who's ever hummed a tune and thought, I should make this into a real song, without knowing how to play any instrument. The feature for turning your own lyrics into music is very enjoyable, and the AI vocals sound surprisingly pleasant. You can generate a couple versions of your song to figure out what works and fine-tune your lyrics into something that works best with the time signature you prefer. This app covers multiple genres, from pop to rap to rock, so you're not stuck making the same type of music over and over. Reviews describe it as a versatile and user-friendly tool that empowers users of all skill levels to explore their music creativity without the barriers of traditional music production. It's got a decent following with 50,000 Instagram followers and seems to be actively updated. The main appeal is how accessible it makes music creation. You literally just type what you want and it splits out a song. No need to understand music theory, play instruments, or spend years learning production software. It's worth trying if you've got musical ideas but zero technical skills. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.